YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we are going to talk all about a lot of Toshi Coin. But before we get into that, guys, we're going to have to talk about the total market cap. And before we get into that, I gotta just let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. You gotta go out and speak to a financial advisor at the end of the day, guys. Don't ever buy something that you hear on the internet. Go do your own research. Anyway, guys, let's look at this whole crypto market space. You guys can see 24-hour volume down 46%. People just not buying crypto or what, bruh? So you guys could see also our market cap coming in down 4%. Also, fear greed index coming in at a 45. Seems like we're starting to see more fear set into the market. And we did talk about our total market cap. We're going to talk a little bit about that in a second. But I want to dive into actually this fear greed index chart before we get into Toshi. Just talk about again where we're kind of at in the cycle and what we've kind of seen in the past, just within the past couple weeks. As you guys could see, every time that we get into this extreme greed state, this green up here, it's usually a sign that we're seeing some kind of a top. And I was letting you guys know for a while, actually, from November like 15th all the way to December. I was letting you guys know, hey, we're really oversold right now in the fear greed index. We might see a correction. You could see we saw it here, we saw it here, but we want to know how soon we're going to see a how soon this correction is going to be done, right? We want to know when the bottom is going to be, because we're all looking to pick up cryptocurrency at the bottom, or at least I would think that the people that are still watching crypto right now, the people that are actually still bullish on it, some people just watch, I guess, to complain. I don't know. But I'm looking for cheaper prices on crypto. And so, again, I'm paying attention to this fear greed index. You could see from right here to right here, it took about a month and a half, 2 months. But we were really from December to like February. We started making a recovery really like late January. But it was a big drop from the top. And then it ended up being a big parabolic run. A lot of meme coins hit some amazing heights, guys, breaking all kinds of records. Record-breaking time back in March, right? It was, guys. Even when this coin was, even when the market cap was dropping, guys, we had things like Book of Meme launching and hitting a billion market cap within 24 hours of launching. How amazing is that? Stuff that, again, we just have not seen in prior cycles. And the crazy thing, guys, is I feel like the next leg in crypto is going to be even bigger. It's going to be even more money. And so I do feel like even though the market cap is down, Toshi's down, we'll talk a little bit about it. But let's talk about the market cap, actually, before we get into Toshi and Bitcoin and all that. So you guys can see market cap's trying to hold on for dear life here, right? This thing possibly could have been a blow off the top. But it's hard to say, right? We had a cup and handle that was playing out, but now look, it looks like shoulder head shoulder playing out, and then a possible bear flag forming here. Indicator that, again, we might see some more sell-off. I was telling you guys on this long-term chart also, looking like we might be seeing a shoulder head shoulder. What can that mean for the market? Again, only time will tell. That thing could crack right back up and then turn into a bull flag, but again, there is a chance that we do see some correction. We do know that correction usually comes sometime in Q1. Usually it happens in February, or sometimes it happens closer to March. It's just kind of tends to be how these cycles work. So again, it's not totally unheard of if we have that pull back a little bit sooner. It usually happens sooner than you think, guys. Whenever you think something's going to happen, it usually happens a little bit sooner, because again, people want to be quick to get out. So we don't know what's going to happen, though. Again, this thing could shoot right back over 100K, and you know, we can be off to the races, and people could be fumbling back into all these coins. Could definitely happen, guys. It could definitely happen. You could see things like Ethereum on sale, like down 11%. Solana also down like 10%, creating some nasty patterns there. Toshi, in my opinion, guys, not doing too bad, down 12%. But you consider the market cap's only 386 million. This is a lot of people, I feel like, low-key acquiring bags. It looks like the holder count is increasing. It does seem like these whales are selling off, a lot of them. Bots and smart contracts, you could see these are bots, and some of these are going in and out of this contract. So that's definitely something that I would be paying attention to. You can see these are all this same contract that's selling here, right? This is a lot of the same guy selling. So again, a lot of people are still holding. They're still buying Toshi. There's still a lot of interest behind Toshi. I feel like this thing could still get listed on a lot of exchanges. In the past 7 days, it is down 35%, but this thing has just absolutely been going crazy. So I'm not surprised that this needed to see a little bit of a pullback. Is it done correcting? Again, only time will tell. It does look like there's a battle on the 2-hour chart. Maybe this thing can start to see some kind of wedge forming. I feel like it's really going to depend on how healthy the market looks. I definitely want to know what you guys think, though. What are your predictions on the market? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think that Toshi Coin could start trending up in these Keltner channels? Can we start breaking up above some of this resistance? So you guys could see this thing is barely holding on to the fact that it's making new all-time highs. But is it going to start seeing a breakdown pretty soon? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Again, the 1 year looking like it's holding right. The 30-minute looking like, again, this thing is going to have to make a decision pretty soon, right? It does look like a possible rejection off of this second level on the Keltner channel on the 15-minute. But again, it might be too soon to tell. Look at the 5. Looking like maybe holding some kind of support. Again, guys, what do you guys think? You guys think that we are going to see an even cheaper price on Toshi? Do you guys think that we've already seen the bottom? Do you think that 295 was the bottom? We were making videos down here. If it breaks down back down here, guys, we'll still be making videos. We're going to keep making videos, guys, because again, I told you I'm bullish on Toshi Coin for 2025. It's not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to buy. You buy whatever you want to buy. I like this coin because it's listed on a lot of big exchanges, and I feel like it'll do well. I feel like it'll get listed on more exchanges, and I'm hoping that that fact will bring some volume. But I could always be wrong, guys. Sometimes I'm wrong. But again, guys, the only way that you can make money in cryptocurrency is by being in the market. So, I mean, whether you are just in the market right now or you're just looking at the market, you ain't gonna be making no money unless you're getting in the market and doing stuff in the market. So again, I'm looking to dollar cost average into Toshi, and I'm looking for the cheapest price possible. Is this it? Are we gonna see a cheaper price? Again, guys, only time will tell. In my opinion, this thing is right at the breaking point right now. Again, we could have a shoulder, head, shoulder, and this could break down, or we could break above this line, and this could be some kind of a wedge right here. This could be a bullish situation, or it could be a bearish situation. Again, look, right? Wedge forming, but also maybe shoulder, head, shoulder, possibly with a bear flag also, right? Same thing. So we need to start seeing some positive retrace. Otherwise, Toshi Coin can be headed down, guys. But how far down goes, nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. Does it retrace and touch that 295? If it does, honestly, I'd be shopping it again. Definitely looking at this thing right now, thinking like maybe if I was to get a position right now, I would be looking for like maybe half here and then half if it wanted to drop down some more. But you never know. It could take off right now, or it could drop and never come back up. I don't know what's going to happen, guys. You tell me what's going to happen. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, guys, I'm on a mission to get to 100,000 subscribers. I'm working hard to get it, guys. I'm making a lot of videos every single day, especially for Toshi. So again, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It helps us in the algorithm. It helps more people hear about Toshi. We're going to keep covering this project and a lot more projects, guys. You just don't want to miss it. Also, if you're not yet tapped into Patreon, join us over on Patreon, bro. A lot of people joining on Patreon, and we're growing quick, guys. We're growing quick over there, so make sure you're tapped in. We had Andy from Denmark join today. His family's from Iraq. Shout out to Andy. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for tapping in. You guys are going to get access to all the training. You get access to also the private Telegram group as well, where you hear about coins like Toshi and stuff like that. You can ask about questions on your own contracts, run contracts in the Telegram. It has a little Telegram bot that will scan your project for you and let you know all the things that you should be aware of in your contract that are important, like snipers, has the dev sold, just any kind of sketchy transactions and stuff like that that are going on. It'll let you know all that stuff, guys. So I want you guys to win. That's why I put that group together. Check out the Patreon. Get plugged in. Let me know also what your guys' price predictions are for Toshi. How much Toshi are you holding? What do you think the bottom's going to be? Do you think we already found the bottom? Either way, guys, I'm shopping this thing. I already told you so. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.